here we are heading down to Sliding Rock. I'm gonna go down here. It's middle of winter, and we're gonna see if we can get Hunter to slide down the rock. I don't think he's going to. We'll find out. So I told Hunter he could drive home. He goes down Sliding Rock.
What pants am I gonna wear when I drive home?
You get sliding your underwear. Be a man.
Okay, yeah, that's fact.
I'll tell you what, I'll tell you to Taco Bell.
No?
Yeah.
The Taco Bell?
The Taco Bell.
Oh, I might have to go. Right
He's
now.
not gonna do it.
You'll take me to Taco Bell.
Scared.
You'll take me to Taco Bell. You gotta wait till these kids move so I can take off my pants, because I'm not taking off my pants in front of these
Now
kids.
he's a pedophile. There he goes.
Woo! Oh, it's about to be so cold!
So he can go to Taco Bell. And drives that truck. We made it for you. You do it.
Woo!
What do you think?
In your face, God!
That wasn't.
Hey Hunter, how was your trip on Sliding
My
Rock?
toes is cold.
What do you think? Was it fun?
Small titty gang.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Was it refreshing?
No.
Did it wake you up?
Yes.
Want to do it again?
Yes.
Belly first?
No. before giving the stupid looks right there. That guy.
Alright guys, thanks for watching our videos today. Over here in Pisgah National Forest, Sliding Rock, Looking Glass Mountain, or in Looking Glass Forest. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.